guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally got another video for you guys, and we're putting on this BBR triple clamp, getting rid of this factory triple clamp. We're gonna raise the bars up, hopefully raise the front end a little bit, because this bike does like to sit a little low, sag a little bit. So got this awesome BBR triple clamp we're gonna put on here. Beautiful piece, super well made. And shout out to BBR, because they always send you like little candies, and this is like Valentine's theme with lollipop and some kisses. Shout out to them. And it comes with this piece here, but I don't think we're gonna need it. It's where like the key goes with the fuel light. Pretty sure this mount here is gonna line up, but we'll see. So this is my first time having to put one of these on, so we're gonna figure it out. Doesn't come with instructions, but it can't be that bad. Hopefully the cables are long enough to reach this higher bar mount. So, you know, I'm gonna film this, see how it goes, and wish me luck. All right, now that I got the bar mounts off, I'm gonna go ahead and take off these number plate screws here, and then get the these triple clamp bolts to hold the forks tubes. So we're gonna go ahead and get those off. And we gotta take off the big old steering stem nut. So let's get that off too. So once you take the front number plate off, you want to get these two, because that removes this whole assembly. All right, now we're gonna get the new triple clamp on. All right, got it on there. Looks sweet. Alright, so I've ran into a bit of a headache. I don't know if you can see, but the holes where you're supposed to mount the key switch are too small. The factory screws and the ones that they gave me, neither of them fit. So I'm either gonna have to do some modification here or what, we'll see. Alright guys, well, went ahead, with the help from my dad, drilled out these holes and then cut some threads with a tap and die set. If you want to know, the drill bit was a 13/64 drill bit, and to cut the threads it was a 6mm by 1.00. So I went ahead and did that, and it came out pretty good, so thumbs up for that. All right, so now after that whole debacle, this should go back on and mount this key thing up. All right, well, I took the front number plate off because I was gonna mount it, but I've ran into another problem. So these holes here, they mount the front number plate. See these holes here? And they aren't threaded or drilled either. They don't fit the factory bolts. So, all right, so now that this is taken care of, been drilled, get this piece back on and finish this up. All right, it is back together. Got the mount in there. Everything is tight, bolted down, and it looks sweet, man. Went ahead and lowered the forks, got them flush with the triple tree, raised the front end up. Beautiful. Super happy with it. Bike looks so sick, man. All right, well, now that the triple clamp is done, got two more things I want to put on, so let's get to it. Matos Motors start switch. So this switch is gonna completely get rid of this whole assembly here, and I'm gonna mount it right over here. So it's just gonna be more sleek, simple. The key becomes a kill switch. This will be the start button, just a little check engine light here. Ordered that from Faster Mini, so shout out to those guys. Give you stickers with every order. So yeah, for those of you who are curious to why I'm putting this on or what exactly it is, so this is a start button, right? So it completely replaces this whole electric start assembly, kill switch and all. So I'm gonna mount it over here, boom, start the bike. I prefer electric starts to be over here anyway, so that's why I'm doing this whole thing. Kawasaki has their electric start on this side of the bike, which I think is better. But yeah, and plus this is just a big piece. It's in the way, in my opinion. I'm afraid I'm gonna hit the kill switch when I'm riding. Like, it's just, you know, it's a little scary. So we're gonna get this mounted up. And I know a lot of guys that mount their electric start like on the inside of the handlebars just for that reason. So it's not near the throttle or your hands. It's out of the way in case you might hit it, you know? So what I'm gonna do, this is the wire that runs up to the electric start and switch. So I'm gonna follow this, and it looks like it goes down in front of the number plate. So I'm gonna take the front number plate off to get better access. So I took the front number plate, and this install really is as simple as they come. Literally, this wire runs right into here. It's covered up by this this rubber here, but it literally plugs in right there. Literally unplug this, plug in the new switch, mount it up, you're done. So that simple. All right, so got the old assembly out. There's a little this little lip here. I don't know if you can get that. This little lip here, just stick a flathead up in there, lift up on this piece, and it'll come right out. So let's get the new one in. All right, so just got a rough mock-up. Do get a lot of slack with the wire, but we're gonna tie it up, wire tie. But there it is, mounted up. Just a little button here, boom, boom. Gets rid of that whole thing. So turn the key on, fuel pump, light comes off, good to start. Sick. Then when you wanna shut it off, turn the key off. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. So sick, dude. Super happy with this. All right, it is together, all mounted up. Beautiful product. Super happy. You guys got to get yourself one of these if you have a 110, 125. Awesome. Oh, and also the cables with the new triple clamp, they all reach, thankfully, but the clutch cable, I would say, is a little tight So I think I'm gonna have to do an extended clutch cable, but everything else, the brake cable, the throttle cables, they're all good. They're not binding up. But yeah, just I feel like the clutch cable is just a little tight when you're turning the handlebars. Probably gonna have to do an extended clutch cable in the future, so. But that is it on the bike. It is done. And that is it for this video. I know it's been a while since I uploaded, just been busy with life and stuff like that, but thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. It's awesome seeing all the views and feedback I've gotten from the previous videos. So yeah, leave a like, comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Say bye, girl.